to Amethyst, I wasn't even sure, what I needed, and because I kept thinking that I could go to meetings, get a sponsor, and do it that way, but I was never really able to do it that way. So when I came to Amethyst, I found out a lot of stuff about myself. I was able to heal from a lot of traumatic issues that had happened to me in my past, and it made me into a different person, and I will forever be thankful for the program that I went through, because I look at myself differently now. I look at myself, I like myself. I feel like, a lot of the pain has been healed. It's an awesome program, and it helped save my life.